Hi everyone! Today, we have a special treat for you. We scan a 3D printed sample of an aircraft engine to quickly obtain its 3D data. This helps to print and display more samples easily. Let's see how we do it. The engine has a complex geometry. It also has many internal structures that block the view. We scan the whole sample with a KSCAN Magic 3D scanner. Thanks to its accuracy of up to 0.02 mm, KSCAN Magic captures the edges and corners accurately, and it performs well in 3D scanning details and narrow spaces. It can also handle reflective surfaces without spraying any powder. Its measurement rate reaches 4.15 million measurements per second, so it only takes us 10 minutes to finish the scanning. We use professional software to analyze and process the data. This gives us high-precision 3D models that we could use for 3D printing and 3D model display later.